What's up, guys? Just finishing up here on this Mooney, and then I can get out of here. I just wanted to show you guys a pretty good idea for like a small portable toolbox. This is from Harbor Freight. It's actually a creeper. There's supposed to be a seat that goes up here, and then there's wheels on it, but you can take it out of the frame, and then you get a toolbox that's really not that big at all, but you can hold a good bit of stuff in it. It comes with little straps. I use that as a handle. It's great for throwing something in the car. It's not incredibly heavy. It's really not that expensive. Just finished up, so I just wanted to show you a few more things about the box. One, it's the perfect size for a grip D mat. It'll even fit in the drawer. If you don't know what these are awesome. They sell them at Carnage Tools. Create a 15% off. And I'm not saying this is the perfect box for travel, but it's a lot smaller. It's like a lot narrower than a lot of the other boxes out there. Like I said, I'm not saying that this is the perfect box for travel, but if width is an issue, this thing comes in at 14 inches wide and about 9 inches deep. So as far as space, it takes up like hardly any space. And this is actually used in my other box. I need to do a video on the box that I made for work. This just kind of sits there, and then when I need to go somewhere, I take this with me, along with the Maxpedition fanny pack. That's awesome. Also, this has holes in it that come to mount the seat. So if you wanted to mount something on top of it, it'd be easy because it's already got holes. They were already threaded. It has ball bearing slides on the drawers. All the drawers are the same height, and they're big enough to fit a spray can. So if you want to bring a spray can of your favorite thing, you can totally do that. And each drawer, I think, is rated to hold like 40 pounds. So I don't know how you get 40 pounds of tools in there, but the slides, I mean, everything about it is pretty strong. So that's pretty much it. That's the box in a nutshell. There's the number if you're interested in that. But anyways, I'm done. I'm gonna get out of here, call it a day. Appreciate you watching. Creative Mechanic.